Ethereum developers affiliated with the Ethereum Foundation have launched a post-quantum security team tasked with safeguarding the blockchain from emerging quantum computing threats, ensuring the protection of billions in network value. They introduced a resource hub in March 2026 and plan to implement quantum-resistant solutions by 2029 across key protocol layers, including consensus, execution, and data, reflecting proactive preparation for future risks. Key challenges include deploying quantum-safe cryptographic signatures without affecting performance and upgrading millions of accounts. The broader crypto community is engaged in discussions on how to best defend against quantum vulnerabilities while maintaining network integrity. Demand is recovering organically, driven by real network activity rather than speculation, thanks to upgrades like EIP 4844 that reduce fees and encourage Layer 2 use. Active addresses on Ethereum are rising steadily. Ethereum's supply is tightening significantly. Exchange reserves have dropped to levels not seen since 2016, while millions of ETH are locked in staking. This shrinking liquid supply means even small demand increases can have strong price effects. The market is currently testing crucial support around $2,100, near the 200-week moving average. With healthier derivatives markets and increased institutional interest, Ethereum seems poised for a sustainable bullish phase.
Bitcoin's price faced pressure as rising U.S. Treasury yields combined with the biggest gold price drop in decades led investors to prefer cash over risky assets amid ongoing conflict in Iran and high oil prices. Yields on U.S. 5-year Treasuries surged to a 9-month high, while the stock market declined, signaling market uncertainty and a potential Federal Reserve interest rate hike to counter inflation. With ongoing geopolitical tensions, rising inflation, and tech sector losses, investor caution dominates despite positive Bitcoin network data, keeping downside risks and cautious sentiment elevated.
In the U.S., a retrial has been requested for the Tornado Cash co-founder on charges related to money laundering and sanctions violations, though he denies responsibility, illustrating the legal uncertainties around crypto development. Aon, a global insurance broker, has piloted using stablecoins such as USDC and PYUSD to pay premiums, showing growing institutional interest and adoption of digital dollars in traditional financial systems. A violent scam in France led to a couple losing about $1 million in Bitcoin after intruders posed as police and forced a transfer. This highlights ongoing physical security risks for crypto holders. Sora initially saw rapid user growth, reaching 1 million downloads within 5 days. However, issues related to deepfake risks and content restrictions affected its viability. Looking ahead, OpenAI is reallocating resources toward long-term projects like robotics and productivity tools, while a major licensing deal with Disney has been canceled. The AI industry continues its rapid expansion toward a multi-trillion-dollar market. OpenAI is ending its video app Sora and all associated video services after just 6 months of operation. This move reflects a strategic shift in their product focus. Beyond financial measures, Robinhood is pushing forward with innovative crypto projects, including launching an Ethereum Layer 2 testnet. Market analysts remain optimistic, setting a 12-month price target that reflects confidence in the company's growth and future prospects. Robinhood has initiated a $1.5 billion share buyback program spread over 3 years, demonstrating strong belief in their long-term potential despite challenges in their stock price, which recently hit a low point in 2026. The company strengthened its financial position by expanding its credit facility to $3.25 billion, with options to increase it further. Although shares have declined significantly year-to-date due to broader economic and geopolitical tensions, this move provides important liquidity support.